everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today's tutorial is for those people who cannot download TikTok on their iPhone. So for any reason you cannot download TikTok on your iPhone, just follow this tutorial. Alright, so let's start. As you can see, I already have the application on my device, and for people who cannot seem to find the app, you probably went to the App Store where you did a search but nothing comes up, because different people in different regions will see different things. So since in some regions the TikTok application is blocked, so when it's not showing up, it usually means that it's blocked. So alright, so here's what you're gonna do in order to find the TikTok application. Simply go ahead to your Safari app and search for Google. Once you're in the Google, guys, from here just type in TikTok, go ahead and search that, and of course you'll see several options, but you want to search for is the Play Store options, and from here you should see the install. Go ahead and hit install, or of course you can always tap, and once you tap it, it will open up and you can try and go ahead to get the application. I already have it, so as you can see, it's prompting me to open. But if this doesn't work on your device, one last option is to change the region. So what you're gonna do is go to your settings and go to App Store, and from here, as you can see, you can change the region or the location, and just choose a region that doesn't block the TikTok application. And it should work like that. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.